Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the meeting ID and passcode from the invite, then open Zoom and sign in or join as guest. Next, test audio and camera in settings so you know your mic works and video framing looks right. Once done, pick a quiet spot, plug in headphones to avoid echo, and enable a virtual background if privacy matters. This prevents distractions. These quick checks save time and keep you ready for the host's admission into the meeting. When you join, familiarize yourself with core controls: mute and unmute, start and stop video, and the participants panel to raise your hand. Use chat for questions and reactions for quick feedback. Rename yourself if attendees need clarity. If presenting, click Share Screen and select a window or the desktop, and remember to tick Share Computer Sound when playing media. Once sharing ends, stop sharing to return to gallery view. These actions let you contribute smoothly and avoid accidental interruptions. As the meeting closes, confirm action items and whether a recording will be shared, then leave or stay for final questions. If you need the recording, ask the host for access or check your email for links. Know whether it's cloud or local. For tech trouble, troubleshoot quickly by turning off video to save bandwidth, reconnecting Wi-Fi, or switching to the Zoom mobile app. If audio still fails, use the phone dial-in option. This backup often restores your ability to participate immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.